Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is rezwan.rono. Subscribe me for future tutorials. Today I am going to be showing you how to create Wi-Fi hotspot on Windows 10. So let's get straight into the tutorial. You can create a Wi-Fi hotspot on your wireless PC so you can share your internet with other devices. In the command prompt, type the following text, press enter. To turn the Wi-Fi hotspot on, write down net sh. To turn it off, write down I hope you guys did enjoy this tutorial. If you like my videos, make sure to comment down below and make sure to subscribe me.